asuntosykeyhtiö Lahden Männistön polku.
Yes, today it's the 28th of September 2022. We have Kasakkamäentie, 26 to 28, this is building 28, Stekis-T. We still have to get to Stekis-A here, AE here, Stekis-E.
Yeah.
It's here in Metsäkangas, Lahti, Finland, with 8 floors, amazing. It's 1974 by ValmetSchlieren, December SVS 3711. We'll be expected in the next year, 2023. 245 sold in 2019, this has 2 nights. Let's see if it has memory. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. No, it doesn't.
Instruktiivt by maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
And I love the sounds and the smell in here.
The same.
Oh. And the speed, of course.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we'll get to the Stekis-A as soon as possible.
Yeah. That's